Hi, it's Chris with WTI, and I want to tell you how much I'm loving my new purchase. It's my cast iron Dutch oven by Overmont.
So I'm so happy with my choice of my Overmont Enameled cast iron Dutch oven. It's a 5.5 quart pot, and of course it has the lid, and I love the pumpkin color I chose. I was so happily surprised with some of the goodies that it came with as well. So it actually gave me a little recipe book with some cast iron recipes in it. It came along with the instructions for care with some beautiful quick tips for how to cook with an enameled cast iron. It also came with the cutest little rubber mat that you can set your hot cast iron on, and of course these adorable little pot holders that you can use just right on the handles of the Dutch oven, and they're made of cotton so you can wash them. This Dutch oven is actually safe for temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's perfect for wanting to bake, let's say, sourdough or something beautiful where you need a really hot oven. So I'm really happy with this purchase, and I honestly think you'll love it too.
And that's my point of view.